My name's Corey Cheney. I'm an interventional pain management nurse practitioner with IU Health, and I've been practicing since 2026. I felt called to become an advanced practice provider while working as a nurse for over a decade. I was finding how impactful it was for patients to have a provider who truly listens to them and values connection, and I wanted to become that provider for them. When patients meet me for the first time, they can expect a laid-back environment with a professional who truly wants to hear their needs and the way that they describe those needs. It's my goal to help patients feel informed about their conditions and potential treatment options. What I love most about my profession is having the opportunity to make my patients feel comfortable with their plan of care. I love changing my approach with each individual patient that comes in with what makes them feel most relaxed and still informed. When I'm not caring for patients, my husband and I are raising 3 boys. We enjoy doing anything outdoors regardless of what season it is in Indiana.